Mars is hiding a mysterious secret, and it's not what you think. The red planet is crisscrossed with thousands of gullies, but the culprit behind their creation has left scientists scratching their heads. For years, these narrow channels sparked hope of ancient water or even life on Mars. But here's where it gets fascinating. The real answer might be far stranger than anyone imagined. Enter exploding dry ice. Yes, you read that right. Dry ice, or frozen carbon dioxide, CO2, could be the unlikely sculptor of Mars' alien landscape, a process so bizarre it doesn't even occur naturally on Earth. Mars is famously cold, dry, and dusty, but its terrain is anything but boring. In the southern hemisphere, sandy slopes are carved with deep, winding gullies that look eerily like the work of flowing water. But with temperatures plunging to a bone-chilling -190 degrees Fahrenheit, -123 degrees Celsius in winter, liquid water is a non-starter, at least most of the time. So, what's behind these enigmatic grooves? And this is the part most people miss. It's not water, but dry ice behaving like a bulldozer. During Martian winters, CO2 freezes into a thick layer of dry ice across the dunes. As spring arrives, this ice doesn't melt, it sublimates, turning directly from solid to gas. In a mind-bending lab experiment, researchers discovered that large blocks of dry ice, up to 3 feet (0.9 meters) long, can burrow into sand and slide downhill on a cushion of gas. As the ice sublimates, pressure builds until, boom, the gas erupts, blasting sand in all directions. This process carves out gullies that perfectly match what we see on Mars. But here's the controversial part. Could this phenomenon challenge our understanding of planetary geology? Dr. Lonneke Roelofs from Utrecht University explains, Mars is our nearest neighbor in the green zone of our solar system, where liquid water and potentially life could exist. Studying these gullies isn't just about Mars. It's about expanding our knowledge of how landscapes form, even on Earth. But not everyone agrees. Some argue that focusing on dry ice distracts from the search for water or life. What do you think? Is this a game changer, or just a curious quirk of Mars's geology? To test their theory, Roelofs and her team traveled to a Mars chamber in England, where they simulated Martian conditions. After tweaking slope angles and dropping dry ice blocks, they witnessed something extraordinary. The blocks dug into the sand and slid downhill, leaving behind gullies just like those on Mars. It looked very strange, said Simone Vischers, a master's student on the team. This was the first time anyone had seen dry ice act like a living creature, plowing through sand in a way that's impossible on Earth. So where does the dry ice come from? During winter, a thick layer of CO2 ice blankets the dunes. As spring warms the planet, most of it sublimates, but leftover patches on shady slopes can break off and tumble downhill. When these blocks hit warmer sand, they sublimate rapidly, creating gas that propels them downward, carving gullies as they go. While these findings don't point to alien life or ancient oceans, they reveal a unique geological process shaped by dry ice, a substance we rarely consider. Mars gullies are a window into a world where ice behaves like nothing we've ever seen. And this raises a bigger question. What other secrets is Mars hiding, and how might they reshape our understanding of the universe? The study, published in Geophysical Research Letters, is just the beginning. As we explore Mars, we're not just uncovering its past, we're challenging our own assumptions about how planets work. So the next time you gaze at the red planet, remember, those gullies aren't just scars on the surface. They're clues to a story far stranger than fiction. What mysteries will we uncover next? What's your take? Is dry ice the unsung hero of Mars geology, or just a fascinating footnote? Let us know in the comments. Image credit: NASA, JPL, Caltech, MSSS. Enjoyed this deep dive? Subscribe to our newsletter for more mind-bending science stories and exclusive updates. And don't forget to check out EarthSnap, our free app for exploring the wonders of our planet and beyond.